Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing assets and selecting a jitter method. Choose amplitude and frequency values now because they determine motion intensity. Set a base layer for the object. Once done, create a null or controller that will drive jitter and link properties via expressions or keyframes. You should use small test values, 1.5px or 0. 5 degrees, then preview. Make sure to save iterations. This prevents losing a working baseline as you ramp up randomness. You now add the core jitter. Apply noise to position, rotation, or scale with an expression or script. Explain why. Noise creates natural, non-repeating micro-variations that feel alive. Once added, blend it with keyframed animation so primary motion remains readable. Lower noise amplitude where clarity is needed. Make sure to soften fast spikes by filtering or averaging frames and preview at final frame rate. If using curves, modulate frequency. Over time, you finish by baking the jitter into keyframes or exporting a pre-comp. This locks behavior and reduces playback surprises. Once done, verify that the object doesn't drift off-screen and that motion respects spacing and timing. Make sure to render short test clips at final resolution and frame rate. If things go wrong, a single key troubleshooting tip. Lower amplitude and add more temporal smoothing. Often spikes and aliasing vanish when you reduce intensity and filter the noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.